Thank you, Ms. Donna. Yesterday, I was in Sunday school, and my Sunday school teacher was talking about truthfulness, veracity. And then he looked at me and he said, "Certainly you know a lot about that." And I don't know what he was trying to get at. But that is our job, and as the District Attorney General, our job is to seek the truth, to see that justice is done. And if we ignore a certain segment of our population because of their age or because of anything, then we're not doing our job and we're not seeking justice. So I'm real proud of Ms. Donna and her staff for giving me the opportunity to be here, and also to inform the public, to increase the awareness, set aside a certain time and say, we need your help. Listen, look at our youth, our children. They need somebody to protect them, even as young as those that cannot speak. But by their actions, they can speak to you, even if they can't put it in English. So I'm excited about this. I think this is a great thing. April being a Child Sexual Abuse Awareness Month, among other things going on. It gives us the opportunity, though, and I encourage you and I ask you to pay attention. And if you're already working within this area, is to continue to do your job, and I thank you, to continue to do your job and to spread the word. And, you know, our children are intimidated, they're coerced, made fun of, ignored, you name it. Bullied. Bullied is a good word. It's a good word. They are that. And they're abused. So we need to do all we can, and that's why I thank you for if you're already working within the system, and I ask your cooperation to assist us to prevent child sexual abuse in the 4th Judicial District and in the state of Tennessee. Thank you.
Thank you this morning for showing up for Safe Harbor and attending and being available for this. On behalf of County Mayor Alan Longmire, it is my pleasure to read for him the proclamation set forth for Child Abuse Prevention and Awareness Month for Jefferson County, Tennessee. Whereas children are the embodiment of innocence and hope for the future, and every child deserves to grow up in a nurturing environment free from harm and fear, we must relentlessly try to end child abuse through awareness and action. And whereas every child is entitled to be loved, cared for, secure, and protected from verbal, sexual, emotional, and physical abuse, exploitation, and neglect, it is the responsibility of our society to protect every child's inalienable right to life and liberty. And whereas child abuse continues to be one of our nation's most serious public health problems, studies have shown that victims of childhood abuse are more likely to suffer from obesity, heart disease, and engage in destructive behaviors with drugs, alcohol, and others. And whereas 70% of all reported sexual crimes in the United States involve children, 1 in 4 girls and 1 in 6 boys are sexually abused before the age of 18, and 1 in 5 children is solicited sexually while on the internet. And whereas child abuse and neglect can be reduced by making sure every family is safe, secure, and has the support needed to raise their children in a healthy environment, by providing a safe and nurturing environment for our children, free of domestic violence, abuse, and neglect, we can ensure that Tennessee's children grow to their full potential as productive citizens and leaders, helping to secure the future of this great country, state, and nation. And whereas Social acceptance of myths about child abuse silences victims and encourages public denial about the true nature of this tragic epidemic. And whereas we will join as a community, as one with courage, to combat the secrecy that enables child abuse by talking openly about child sexual abuse as we work toward eradicating it in our county, in our state, and in our nation. And whereas this month we emphasize the importance of understanding the devastating problem of child abuse and neglect, and commit to learn more about the behavioral and physical signs of possible abuse. Now therefore, Alan Palmieri, County Mayor of Jefferson County, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Constitution and laws of Jefferson County and the great state of Tennessee, do hereby proclaim April 2013 as Child Abuse Prevention Awareness Month in Jefferson County. In witness whereof, I have hereto set my hand and caused the seal of our great county to be affixed this 11th day of April in the year of our Lord, 2013. Alan Palmieri.